The BJP, under its president, Shri Sanbor Shulai, accompanied by Shri Lakhan Biam MDC JHADC, accuses the JHADC of mismanagement of the SAG and the CWD schemes. According to Shri Shulai, funds from the schemes were diverted to pay the salaries of the staffs of the JHADC, to purchase ambulance and to provide relief aids which were not as per the guidelines of the two schemes. Further, as per the allegations levelled by Mr. Shulai, the plan estimate of the Council for implementation of the schemes was not as per standard procedures, and the Executive Council of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council had not followed the protocols in this regard. Refuting the allegations of Shri Sanbor Shulai and Shri Lakhan Biam as baseless, Shri Thombor Shiwat, the Chief Executive Member of the Jaintia Hills Autonomous District Council, accompanied by the Deputy Chief Executive Member, Shri Laski Rambai, Shri Pasman Dakhar, Shri Bright Star Sharmang, Shri Evening Star Theron, Shri W.G. Sungo, and Shri Rudalutang said that there were no such instances of mismanagement of the SAG and the CWD schemes by the Council. Shri Thombor Shiwat asserted that the Council had implemented the schemes and utilized the funds adhering strictly to the guidelines and protocols outlined by the two schemes. He added, till date, approximately 90% of the work has been completed and none of the contractors have complained of delay in disbursement of payments. In answer to Shri Lakhan Biam allegations that funds from the SAG were used to extend financial assistance to beneficiaries, Shri Shiwat said that the Council made use of the Council's own fund to provide assistance to victims of natural calamities, and that such assistance has been given by the Council from time to time when the need arose. With regard to the payment of salaries using funds from the CWD schemes, Shri Pasmandkar, Executive Member in charge of the CWD department, said that there were provisions in the schemes that allows for temporary loans to meet urgent needs of the Council, and these loans were to be repaid when the Council received its usual share of funds from the state government. On the matter of the Council purchasing ambulance from the CWD funds, Shri Dakhar said that the purchase of ambulance was well within the civic services head, which also includes construction of community hall, water supply, street lights, footpaths, and so on. Shri Dakhar went to state that the Council has reliable expert engineers at various levels who were on hand to supervise, assess, and guide the different projects and works of the Council from time to time, and directives from the state government in these matters were received and acted upon accordingly. He added that in case there are contractors whose bills are still pending, they are free to meet him in this regard, and their grievances will be addressed appropriately.
64.71 lakhs. We are a total amount of money received from SAG up till date.